Hi, kids. Hi, parents. Guess what? The Poofy dance party's coming up next.
Poofy dance party.
See you there.
Poofy dance party?
Yippee-yo-yo. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, Red.
Awesome.
Let's start the show.
Yeah, can't wait. Poofy dance party. Yeah.
Hi there, I'm Poofy. Hey you, he's blue. Hey you, he's red. He's red. Let's go. Welcome to our show. Yay, it's Poofy Toy. That was so much fun. Yippee-yo-yo. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Hi, kids, and welcome to Poofy Toys. Do you know what today is? Huh? Do you know what today is? No, it's not ice cream day. You're so silly. No, today is Magical Toy Flyer Day. Yay! Are you guys excited, blue and red? I hope so. You know that we love magical toys, and I know you guys do too. Oh boy. What's that? It's the doorbell. Awesome. Guess what, guys? It's our magical flyer. Yay! Oh boy, is that my magical flyer?
Yeah.
Alrighty then. Yes! I'm so excited to have it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye. Say bye, Blue. Bye, Red.
Bye.
Oh boy. Oh boy, kids. Look what we got. We got our magical flyer. It's here. Yippee-yo-yo. All right, guys. You know what we got to do next? We got to see what's inside this thing. Oh, I can't wait to see what today's magical toy is. Oh, yes. I'm so excited every day when this comes. I know you guys are too. So, you know what we got to do? We got to yippee-yo-yo. Let's go and check it out. Come on, Blue. Come on, Red. Let's go. Oh boy, kids, our magical flyer's here. And look. Whoa. Look, it's the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn snack set. Wow, so cool. Wow, those snacks look so yummy. Oh, I want them in my tummy. What about you, kids? Oh boy, but right now this is just paper.
Watch this.
So we gotta make this magical flyer real, guys. Okay? So now we gotta follow our instructions to make it real. It says, to make the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn snack set real, you must connect all the stars below with Poofy's magical marker. Oh boy, kids, you know that we have one of those. Oh boy, I gotta get my magical marker so we can get started. Oh boy, oh, here it is. Oh, but you know what? Before we start, guys, with the magical marker, I don't know what color it is. So do you kids at home know what color it is? Okay, well, I'm gonna take a guess. I think it might be, come on, green. Yeah, because green is a cool color. You know, red is my favorite, but green is super cool too. All right, let's see. Whoa, it is green. Good guessing, Poofy. Wow. Okay, guys, so what we gotta do is connect all these stars with our magical marker and make this toy real. Come on, kids, let's go. Whoa, here we go. It's happening, guys. Something's happening, guys. Something's happening. Whoa! Look at it. It's real. Good job, kids at home. Wow, we did a great job. Look at it. It's so cool. And look at all the colors. I love playing with toys with lots of colors. Wow, Good job, kids at home, for making it real with us. Wow, we did it together. Guys, look. Whoa, look, it has all the stuff. So cool, ready to be eaten. Wow, the dinner table looks so cool. Wow, look, let's go through it. Wow, it has a fork. Wow, and it has a spoon. Whoa, you guys can't see that. Look, it has a spoon. Super cool. Wow, and here's another fork for another person to eat. Wow, or a spoon. Super cool. And wow, look on this side. Wow, do you know what color this is?
Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue.
That's right, kids. It's blue. Wow. And do you know what color this apple is?
Red. R-E-D. Red.
That's right. It is red. Wow. And look at these grapes, these yummy grapes. What color is that grape?
Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple.
Yeah, wow, that is so cool. It is purple. Wow. Whoa. Super cool. Wow. And look over here. What is that one? That's some carrots. Yummy, yummy carrots. Super cool. I love carrots. What color is this carrot?
Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange.
Yeah, it is orange. Wow, super cool. And look at these two cups here. Wow, what color is this cup?
Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink.
Wow, it is pink. Super cool. Wow. Wow, look at this cup over here. Wow, what color is that cup?
Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue.
Blue. Yeah. Whoa, so cool. Oh, wow, what super cups those are. Wow, and I guess these colors match these little pups that are here. Here's a boy one. Wow, hi. And here's a girl pup. Wow, she's pink. Wow, and he's blue. Wow, hi guys. Thanks for joining us at the dinner table today. Super cool, guys. Wow, and look at this plate. Over here, what color is this plate?
Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green.
Yeah, it is green. Super cool. Wow. And look, what's this one here? That looks super yummy. I think that's a snack after you eat everything. Whoa, I think it's a cookie. It is a cookie. Super cool. What color is that cookie?
Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown.
Wow, yeah, it is brown. Wow, with some dark chocolate spots. Wow. Whoa, and what color are the utensils? This one's a fork. What color is the fork?
Silver. S-I-L-V-E-R. Silver.
That's right, it is silver. Super cool. Wow. Whoa, kids, what was that? That was super weird. Whoa. Oh man, I think that was a tiger.
I am a tiger. Tiger, I am. Tiger, tiger, yeah. Tiger, tiger, I am. Tiger, tiger, yes I am.
Whoa, what's a tiger doing here? Whoa, super cool. Wow, I guess he escaped from the zoo. There's lots of animals around here that escaped from the zoo. Wow, I don't know what's going on at the zoo, but I hope they get it under control because these animals just keep on escaping and running all over the place. Oh boy. Anyways, let's get back to our dinner table. Wow, this is so cool, guys. Hey! Hi, Police Officer Dan. Good to see you again. What are you doing here?
Well, I'm just in the neighborhood trying to catch this runaway tiger. Have you seen it? It ran away from the zoo and we gotta get it back. So, I need your help, but sorry to interrupt, by the way. I know that you're doing your toy show and I'm so sorry for interrupting again, but this animal is run away from the zoo and he can cause a lot of problems. So have you seen it, Blue? Have you seen it, Red? Or have you seen it, Puffy? I sure would appreciate it.
But first of all, my name's not Puffy. My name's Poofy. You're so funny, Police Officer Dan. You remember my name? My name's Poofy. That's P-O-O-F-Y. Poofy.
Sorry about that, Poofy. I didn't know, how to spell your name. It's a little slip up. Sorry about that. But have you seen this runaway tiger anywhere?
Yeah, well, I think the runaway tiger...
You'll never catch
Thank
me.
you kindly. And sorry to interrupt. And wow, I love those colors. You're making me feel real hungry right now. Wow, that's such a cool snack set. I want to have some snacks, but I gotta catch this runaway tiger, cause I can't let him get away. All right. Thanks for your help, guys. Thanks for your help, kids at home. Take care. See you later. Bye. I'm coming.
Wow, we're so glad that we can help, guys. Wow. Well, I sure hope Police Officer Dan catches that runaway tiger, because he can cause a lot of problems. Tigers are scary sometimes. Okay, guys, time to go. Oh, I know. I don't love to go because I love to play with these magical toys. They're super cool, and I could play with them all day. But unfortunately, kids, I gotta go. Wait, there's one other thing I didn't try. Let's try these buttons here. Wow, let's try the girl pup.
I'm hungry. Let's share a snack.
Yeah, whoa, she's cool. Let's try the boy pup. Swing it over here. Yep.
Would you please help me set the table?
Oh boy, kids, you get to learn how to set the table too. Where you put your forks in the proper places, your spoons in the proper places, and your cups and your plates. So cool. Wow. But unfortunately, kids, playtime is over and we gotta go.
Not too late.
You know what? I'll see you guys on the next Poofy Toy video. So don't worry, we'll be back. What? Blue and red, you
No
don't want to
way.
go?
No way.
Oh, why not?
Poofy dance party.
Poofy
Yeah.
dance party?
Yeah.
Okay.
Poofy dance.
Yeah, I love the Poofy dance party. Why not? Come on, blue and red. Come on,
Yeah.
kids at home. Let's do the Poofy dance party. Yay!
Whoa, Blue. We almost missed it. We almost missed the whole show and our favorite, the Poofy dance party. Whoa, man, that was close.
Yeah. That was too close.
Yeah, too close is right. Whoa.
Yippee-yo-yo!
Hi, kids. It's Poofy, and who's ready for the Poofy dance party? I am. I hope you are, 'cause here we go. Say hi, I'm Poofy. Hi, I'm Poofy. Say hi, I'm Blue. Hi, I'm Blue. Say hi, I'm Poofy. Hi, I'm Poofy. Say hi, I'm Red. Hi, I'm Red. Now wiggle and jump. Wiggle and jump. Jump and wiggle. Jump and wiggle. Now wiggle and jump. Wiggle and jump. Jump and wiggle. Jump and wiggle. I'm having so much fun with this Poofy dance party. I never want it to end. But unfortunately, we gotta go. See you guys on the next Poofy toy video. Take care. Bye.
Poofy toys! Magical learning fun! That was fun! Hey parents! If your little guy is not a Poofy kid yet, then why not subscribe? Poofy kids are smart, happy, and love playing with magical toys. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe today! Take care! Bye! Yippee-yo-yo! Simply click this button over here to subscribe.
Hey, have you subscribed yet? Have you hit that red button? It's right down there. Subscribe, okay? I'm waiting.
Hi there.
Actually, I can't wait. I gotta catch this runaway zebra. All right, adios. Take care. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe.
Boink, boink.
Hoppa,